Good evening. You're coming from First Glance Weather. Lead forecaster Jeffrey A. Gentry. I want to thank you for watching in our YouTube channel. Should you have any additional comments, questions, please leave that in the like or in the comment button. Hit the like button and the subscribe button, and please tell your friends because we want to build this up to get over 200 subscribers for your daily Pinellas County weather forecasts. And our current conditions in Pinellas County at the First Glance Weather Center is 84 degrees with your dew point at 78. And with that humidity at 83%, it feels like 95 degrees. So it is still quite warm out there. So make sure you're staying hydrated, drink plenty of water, and stay in cool places. And your winds are from the southwest at 3 miles an hour. Your barometer is steady at 29.95, and your sunrise at 6:44 a.m. and your sunset at 8:28 p.m. We're starting to lose just a little bit of daylight time, and we'll be losing that every time because our longest day of the year was back in June 21st. And now we are going to go into the next part of the weather forecast, and your overnight low for the United States for the low temperatures for overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Well, actually, this is for Friday night into Saturday morning, so sorry about that. It looks like mid 50s to low 60s out west, upper 70s to near 80 in the south central, and in the central, low 70s, upper 60s to mid 60s, north central, midwest, upper 70s, the southeast, mid 70s, mid to upper 70s to about around 80 in Florida, upper 70s, mid 70s in the Carolinas, and in the Northeast, upper 60s to about 70 degrees. That's your overnight low from Friday night into Saturday morning. This is your actual Friday high temperatures for tomorrow, ending at 8 p.m. For tomorrow, and you look like well in the hundreds out west and in Arizona and a little bit in Texas. Low mid 90s in the central and Midwest, upper 80s to lower 70s in the north states, and north central would be in the mid 80s. Out east in the mid 80s, and down in Florida, mid to upper 80s to lower 90s. This is your overnight radar for Florida, and as you can see around Panama City was scattered thunderstorms. This is our state weather forecast for tomorrow. As you can see, mostly upper 80s to lower 90s with scattered rain here, and you can see scattered clouds mixing with sunshine, and your winds are from the south and west. Your overnight low temperatures, Pensacola Heights 75, Tallahassee 75, and Jacksonville 77, Tampa 80, Palm Bay 77, and Orlando 75, Cape Coral 79, Port St. Lucie 77, and Miami 80. Them are your overnight low temperatures. Your high temperatures, Panama City 88, Tallahassee 86, and Gainesville 81. Tampa 90, Sarasota 91, and Palm Bay 91, and Daytona Beach 82, and West Palm Beach 89, and Miami 91. On all these areas, scattered thunderstorms. And this is your outlook for Friday, severe weather, and it's mostly severe storms capable of producing hail, heavy rains, I don't see very much of a tornado threat, but there could be an isolated tornado or two at the most, but it's mostly wind and a small hail event for Friday. This is for Saturday, same thing, mostly wind and a very, 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 very small chance of hail, but it's mostly wind event in the severe storms. And everybody else has general thunderstorms. And this is for Sunday. Sunday's just a marginal risk of just a possible thunderstorm. The rest of the country looks pretty good. Now, this is our Pinellas County Friday, Saturday, and Sunday weekend weather forecast. First glance weather. Friday, we've got 93 and 80 for the low, and there's a 40% chance of thunderstorms, and your winds are from the west at 5 to 8 miles an hour. Saturday, you're looking at 94 and 80, and 50% chance and 20% toward the night. And winds are from the south to west at 5 to 9 miles an hour. And for Sunday, you're looking at 60% chance of rain with a daytime high of 94 and your nighttime low of 80. And your winds are from the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. That is your Pinellas County weekend forecast, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I will see you tomorrow evening for the week recap for the week of this week that was took place, and I'll do the weekend recap, and I will see you tomorrow evening. Have a great evening, and we will see you tomorrow evening for the week that we just passed for the weather recap. Have a great evening, and we will see you tomorrow.